So the most important things to control for weight loss, there's two important things, and they're probably not what you think. So the typical weight loss model, the two important things that they say that you need to control are calories and exercise. I think the two important things to control are, number one, hormones, especially insulin and leptin. And there are other hormones, ghrelin, cortisol, which is stress hormone, melatonin, which is actually involved in how your metabolism is working during the night, and all your other hormones. Your whole body functions. It's a whole biochemical thing, right? And it works on hormones and neurotransmitters and how those are balanced. And how your body functions and how it works and how it appears is based basically on how all of these hormones and neurotransmitters are being controlled and regulated. And then the second thing that's important for weight loss is inflammation. And so inflammation can, in turn, negatively affect your hormones. Inflammation in and of itself can cause weight gain as a protective mechanism. So it's really important, I think, from what I've studied, that hormones and inflammation are the top two things to work on when you want to lose weight, gain energy, improve your digestion, and just feel better, right? So I know this is a presentation on weight loss, but really it's a presentation on how to improve your wellness, and as a side benefit, you lose weight kind of thing. So how can you do this? It's probably what everyone's like asking, right? So this list here are the things we're going to talk about today. Okay, and I'm going to give you tips for every single one of these. So the way you can control your hormones and inflammation, the foods you choose, the way you eat, how you manage your stress, your sleep, and movement. Sound realistic?